Sketched this barnowl last night and I wanted to paint it just for fun today. Once the line work was onto watercolour paper, going straight in with some basic colour washes on the owl and then some details in the eyes. Slowly building up the depth and definition in the face, and then adding lots more detail in the feathers. Then it was onto the background, blocking in the base colours, before going back in with more detail. Time for the line work and the dramatic black background. And some final little details. Adhesive for gold leaf. And it's done.